Hey guys, Supercat126HD here, and today I am going to be opening a U8 smartwatch. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to keep this on camera. Here it is. The box is smaller than I thought it would be, and yeah. I ordered the white one, so yeah, this one is white. Once I spend a week with this thing, I'm gonna do a review on it. And here it is. It's actually quite nice in person, because the one on Amazon made it look a bit quite the fake thing, but yeah, pretty nice. Anything else in here? That's a charger, and there's instructions and that in there. But yeah, this was a quick unboxing. Oh, nice little jingle there. Pull this off. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.